What if you could send a trade offer to your friend by putting it inside a magic bottle that always found its way to them? Imagine they could open it, see exactly what you offered, and then seal it again so nobody else could change it. Sounds like something out of a storybook, right? Well, it's not just fantasy. It's how a transaction works in the digital world. Let's find out. Picture this. You and your friend both love collecting rare seashells. One day, you want to swap your shiny blue shell for their striped one. Instead of just shaking hands, you write the trade details on a little paper, roll it up, and place it inside a sturdy glass bottle. You toss it into the waves, and it magically travels straight to your friend. They open it, check the deal, and send back their agreement in the same safe bottle. No one else can sneak in and change the note. That's what a transaction is. It's like the message in a bottle of the digital world. It's a record of a swap, locked away so both sides know exactly what was agreed. The bottle is the secure system that carries the deal, and the note is the information about who gave what to whom. This way, the trade is clear, safe, and can't be secretly changed. So, why does this matter to you? Well, think about trading rare items in your favorite online game, or sending a digital birthday gift to a friend across the world. You'd want the trade to be fair, safe, and exactly what you agreed on, right? Transactions make sure that happens, whether it's for game treasures, digital pets, or even real-world items you buy online. So, now you know the key idea behind a transaction and how it works. Here are the main terms you can remember and share. Transaction: a safe, sealed record of a trade between two people. A record: the written details of what was swapped kept safe so it can't be changed. A secure swap: a trade that is fair and protected from cheating. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.